Hey there guys, it's John Waite here. Thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. So when you pick up this product, you're going to get my 4 awesome bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 email subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a technique, it's not a method. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up, and then I show you how to mail them from a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 per month. Now, bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my free traffic method that I'm using right now in 2023 to absolutely flood my offers, my blogs, and my sites with traffic. Bonus number 3 is going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword on YouTube so that you can get a ton of traffic from YouTube to your offers. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you access to promote my mentor's own product, Empire. And I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so you can literally promote it as your own product. So with that said, let's jump straight over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description. And I'll see you on the inside.
Would you like to get your hands on a brand new, never revealed business system that anyone can use to leverage the power of AI to create 4-figure paydays out of thin air? You don't need any technical skills. You don't need any prior experience with AI prompts. You don't have to build a website or do anything complicated. There's no cold calling, no begging for business. Please pay close attention to this short video because we're about to reveal how we were able to bank $6,629.60 in the first 18 days of November with our brand new AI design and animation agency with just a few minutes of effort each day. And that's not even scratching the surface of the potential with this. When we started our agency back in August, we made over $26,251.47. The results are mind-blowing. And this business model is really exciting because it's just going to keep getting better over time. This truly is a ground floor opportunity to create a business capable of generating some serious income in your spare time, which makes now the perfect time to seize the opportunity and establish your own AI-powered design and animation agency. Up until now, creating designs and animations the old manual way was time-consuming, complicated, and expensive. In most cases, you'd have to hire designers, spend a ton of money on software, or invest several months trying to learn to do it all yourself. Although the rewards of having your own design and animation agency would be worth it, we've discovered a massive shortcut by leveraging the power of AI. Hi there, Misan Morrison here with Abhinav Jain. Abhinav is an expert at all things AI. And over the past 6 months, we've perfected the world's most powerful, easiest to use AI-powered graphics and animation software. With this smart AI graphics and animation tool, you can effortlessly create any type of highly captivating design that instantly commands the attention of paying customers to get them to click and buy 10 times faster and with no design skills required. This means you can easily churn out conversation-boosting designs and animations that clients will gladly pay for over and over again because they look great and get results. And with our new software, you can do this with almost no effort required on your part because AI is doing all the work for you. Introducing Imajely. With Imajely, you can start creating designs and get paying clients within minutes from right now in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Select from 500 plus ready-to-use templates in 50 plus niches or create from scratch by using our simple, beginner-friendly AI-powered editor. Step 2. Publish designs by sharing, downloading, or embedding in seconds. Step 3. Use the designs and animations you've created for yourself or follow our proven method to get 4-figure paydays from clients just like we do. As you can see, The designs and animations created by Imajely by using the power of AI are stunning. And these designs and animations don't just look great. They are proven to increase engagement, boost conversions, and maximize sales for you or your clients. And just to be clear, this is so much more than just an advanced designed and animation web application. We've created, tested, and improved Imajely, especially with a focus on making it easier than ever for anyone, even a total beginner, to create a six-figure design and animation agency in your spare time. Here's what's included when you get Imajely today. Access to the design editor so you can create designs from social media posts to presentations to infographics within seconds. Create unlimited projects for unlimited designs, animations, and uncapped earning potential. Access to media libraries, stock photos, animation presets, icons, colored icons, SVG shapes, and clipping masks, so you have everything you need for your projects. Giphy integration for animated stickers support custom GIFs to boost engagement and get better results. One-click photo background removal, which saves time and makes it easier than ever to create stunning designs. 1 GB storage capacity for media uploads, so you'll never run out of space. Share projects with up to 5 people maximum for fast and easy collaboration. Share and lock design access with passcode to maintain control of client projects. 60 minutes of animation time monthly, so you can create engaging and informative animations without having to worry about running out of time. Export design to PNG, JPEG, APNG, WEBP, PDF, EPS, SVG, MP4, GIF, APNG format for maximum flexibility. Export final designs to cloud drives like OneDrive, G Drive, and Dropbox to make sharing a breeze. Send design directly to mobile devices to easily share on social media platforms with just a couple of clicks. Embed design on your web page to easily showcase your work and promote your services. Access to 500 plus templates in different niches so you can create beautiful designs in no time. Import media from cloud storage drives like OneDrive, Google Drive, and Dropbox so you can use your existing media assets without having to download them to your computer. Access our smart AI assistant right inside the design editor to get fast answers to your questions, provide design suggestions, and even help you create custom designs. As you can see, when you get Imajely today, you're getting your hands on an advanced software app that leverages the awesome power of AI to create stunning images and animations that boost conversions and get results for you and your clients. Of course, the best part about this is the price. Although we could easily charge $197 per month for access to Imajely and plan to do so very soon, when you get it now, we've discounted the price to a low one-time payment during our initial launch period. To lock in your discount, click the button below now. But please don't wait around. The price on this is going up soon. And if you close this page and come back later, you run the risk of paying a lot more for access to Imajely. Although the discounted price makes this a no-brainer, we're going to help make this even easier by giving you access to multiple bonuses that are designed to help you get even more out of this powerful app. And because we don't want anything to stop you from getting this now, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. That means you have nothing to lose, but so much to gain when you get this now. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. And when you're one of the first 100 people to jump on this today, you'll also get access to a powerful bonus that will help you land paying clients without any cold calling. With this bonus and the awesome design and animation creation power of Imajely, you'll have everything you need to generate income fast. So if you like the idea of taking a massive shortcut to success and following in our footsteps to create life-changing income with a few clicks by leveraging the power of AI, then you need to jump on this now before the price goes up. Click the button below now to lock in your discount and get going with Imajely today.